Do you want to learn English language fluently? Don't know where to start? What are the ways to learn? If that's so, this is the video for you. It is just 30 days plan. It helps you to improve your speaking skills within 30 days. Yes guys, you heard about it right. Let's go. Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing well. In this video, I am going to giving you 30 days plan, clear plan. So in 30 days, we have 4 weeks, right? So first week, second week, third week and fourth week. So first we need to go for first week. What we need to do? In first week, we don't know anything, right? We are completely Telugu medium student. I'm going to giving you instructions as a complete beginner, okay? If you're advanced level or intermediate level, no need to watch this video, guys. This is completely beginner purpose. So you don't know like simple objective names also. So that person will watch this video till the end. Because at the end also I am going to giving you some tips. If you watch this video till the end, then you will get full clarity. Okay, first week. In first week, we have to go through 10 to 15 objective names like this phone, book, pen, bag, like this kind of objective names you need to know in first week. Okay, and in the first week only you have to make sentences like 3 words. This is a word. This is a book. She drinks water. Like this. 3 words enough. Okay, it build vocabulary. At the same time, it will bring confidence level, right? So first week, what you need to do? Just you have to learn 10 to 15 objective names at the same time. Make a sentences using 3 words. Got it? Next, second week. Basic grammar rules. As a beginner, you have done it something little bit, speak out loudly with the small words like this is a pen, this is a book, she drinks a water, she is going to school, like this kind of things. In next second week, we have to go through basic grammar rules. Yes, you heard about it right. Basic grammar rules, right? So first, sentence structure. Sentence structure, how you can write it. So if you want to make a sentence, as if you want writing something in a book, you need to know the right where we need to start, how to do that. In sentence structure, we need to follow some strategy like a subject, verb and object. Object is nothing but it is a thing. So a subject means nothing but which one you are showing. This is like a particular person or particular thing. So thing name antunnam, object antunnam. దీన్ని చూపించడం కోసం this is a book. She drinks a water. So you need to know complete structure where we need to do. What is the structure we need to follow? Okay. Next, we need to know the tenses like present tense, present continuous, present perfect continuous. So like this kind of tenses, right? 12 tenses are there. So at first, no need to go for all the things. Just you need to learn simple present. So at starting, just say little by little, step by step, we need to go for it. Present tense. I go to school every day. She drinks water. Like this, we have to make it as a simple present sentences. And we have to daily, you have to speak out loudly what you have learned. Whether it may be words, whether it may be small sentences, like whether it may be question and answers, like what is your name, what are you doing, where are you going, like this kind of things. You have to question yourself and give the answer for the particular question. Okay, like this we have to practice each and every single day. In second week, you need to follow first week. Similarly, you need to go through second week also. In third week, next third week, right? In third week, we have to go for practice speaking practice. Now it's less time to start speaking. So already you know just a little bit sentences, am I right? So you have to speak out loudly in front of the camera or in front of the mirror. It's better for you go through camera only, because after completion of your speaking, whatever it may be, you have to go through it once again. Just look into it. Pay attention while watching the video. The pronunciation what you are saying, the confidence level what you are doing, like what you are making eye contact or not, If you are using hands or not, hand movement or everything, you should watch each and every single thing. Observe it carefully. If you are done some mistakes, don't worry about it. At starting, you may have lots of mistakes, grammar rules and everything. No worries. Don't worry about it. Okay? Well, and then you have to speak out loudly in front of the camera each and every single day. Speak as much as possible. In next the fourth week you need to do that. The speaking practice long time, at the same time writing too. Yes, you heard about it, right? Finally, you have to speak as much as possible long sentences, like 6 lines or 10 lines of speaking, like daily routine, my family, about the nature, about the school, about the college, whatever it may be. Just you have to take it one topic and make a sentence about it little bit, then speak out loudly. Okay, just don't worry about the grammar rules and the mistakes what you have done it, because at starting everything maybe it makes some mistakes. Don't worry about it. You have to rectify it by yourself. Okay. Next 6 lines at least, guys. You heard about it, right? 6 lines or 10 lines of paragraph, like sentences you need to practice, and then write little bit paragraph. Yes. Just take small notebook. In that you have to mention small lines of paragraph. Just you have to write it down. Whether it may be letter, whether it may be topic wise points, whatever it may be. Okay. And instead you have, if you are speaking something about it, you have to use linking words like but, so, because of that, or keywords, moreover, like however, hence, somehow. Like these kind of keywords or linking words you have to use in the middle of the speaking, which topic you are talking, but you have to use the keywords or linking words in middle, so that the speaking level should be in high. It will be increase your confidence level. Okay, if you are unable to get it the next word, next sentence, if you are using moreover, like just small pieces, that may, in that you can able to remember the next sentence. So that's the thing. So you have to practice each and every single day like this. This is like a first basic learner purpose. It is a completely roadmap for beginners, complete beginners. But first week we have to go through 10 objective names, at the same time 3 word sentences. Next, second week we have to go through basic grammar rules. Third week we have to go through speaking in front of the camera or mirror. Next, fourth week, final one, what you are going to do? Speak long sentences by using keywords and linking words, so that it will boost your confidence and speak with anyone with the confidence. It remove your fear and build your confidence. If you are talking with anyone without having any fear, if you are done it like this, start now itself, guys. I promise you don't have any fear of if you have done it this plan. So start today onwards, speak English in. So if you want to learn fluently, just start today itself. Okay, so that it will improve it. But after completion of 30 days plan, if I don't want to practice like this, if you forgot everything, everyday practice is necessary. See, our Telugu language, for example, on childhood onwards, you are using Telugu language only. That's why you are able to speak with anyone with the confidence on this what you are talking about, anything. Thus, practice. So that's why I'm saying you should practice each and every single day as much as possible. Then you will be able to get the fluency on English. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. You will get some future videos also, further information about the English language. Thank you.